Hey there, and welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the promo video section of the Sellvia dashboard. This area is all about leveraging promotional videos to help you drive more traffic and boost sales on multiple platforms. We're going to walk you through everything step by step so you can make the most out of this powerful tool. Inside the promo videos section, you'll find two main parts: ad promo videos and your promo videos. Let's start by taking a look at ad promo videos, where you can explore all the available video packs. This page is where you can browse through various promo video packages that are available to you. The packs are designed for different types of products, from physical items to digital goods and even brand-related content. The layout is pretty straightforward and resembles the products section, making it easy to navigate. At the top, the packs are organized into three main categories: best sellers, limited time offers, and best profit. Let's look at best sellers. As you might guess, this area highlights the most popular video packs based on overall demand. Many of these packs are labeled with tags like hot, so they stand out right away. These videos are chosen frequently across the platform, meaning they're performing really well. Next up, we have limited time offers. Here features promo video packs that are available only for a short time. These usually include seasonal packs like winter or January themed videos, holiday-related packs designed to match the current holidays, and special bundles with temporary discounts. Because these packs are time-sensitive, their availability can change based on the season or ongoing promotions. So it's a great place to find some fresh, on-demand content. The best profit category is where you'll find promo videos designed for products that tend to bring in higher profits. These videos typically focus on high-ticket products and brand-focused items. These packs are ideal for products with higher price points or those that require strong brand positioning. The recommended for you section is like a personalized suggestion list. Although this is a separate category, it's also integrated with the other categories like best sellers and best profit. Here you'll find video packs that have been recommended based on your activity and product selections, helping you discover content that could be a good fit for your store. Each video pack includes a short description that explains what's inside. Once you've found a pack you like, just click Get Started Now, and it'll be added to your promo videos section. Now, let's move on to your promo videos. This section is where you'll find all the video packs you've added to your store. It shows a list of the packs you've purchased and the videos included in each pack. If you want to see more details, click the View Videos button for a deeper look. When you open the details of a video pack, you'll see a preview of the video, a direct link to the related product page, ready-to-use post content like captions, and suggested hashtags. Additionally, you'll have the option to download both the video file and a related image. These materials are perfect for sharing directly on social media, helping you promote your products in a matter of minutes. An important point to note here: if any of the products featured in your promo videos aren't already listed in your store, they'll be automatically uploaded to your store when you add the video pack. This makes sure that every promo video is always connected to an active product page, making the whole process seamless. So, that's everything you need to know about the promo videos section, from browsing available packs to managing and using the videos you've already added. This tool can really help take your product promotion to the next level. In our next video, we'll keep exploring more Sellvia tools and break down how each part of the dashboard works together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.